Hey guys, it's Max from Epic Music Academy and welcome to another online drum lesson. Okay guys, so what we're going to do this week is kind of similar to last week. We did rudiments around the kit. But this time we're going to be adding in our foot as well and splitting up our hands between different drums. Not playing the same ones, but playing different ones. Okay? So the first exercise we're going to start with, it goes like this. So we're going to just take our right hand and our left hand and go right, left. After that, take your right foot, the kick drum, and do foot, foot. So we'll have right, left, foot, foot, right, left, foot, foot, right, left, foot, foot. Awesome. I want you guys to try and get that faster and faster. Remember, taking it at one speed, stopping, and then try and speed it up. Just like this. Okay, so we are going to try to do that same pattern, except this time in only groups of 3 instead of 4. Last time it was right, left, foot, foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time we're going to do it in groups of 3, and we're just going to cut the bass drum off the end. So it's going to be right, left, foot, right, left, foot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So we're going to start it off nice and slow. I want you guys to join in. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, ready, 2, 3, right, left, foot, right, left, foot, left, foot. One, two, three, two, three, three, 2, 3, ready, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. One last time, ready, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, ready, 2, 3, 1. Okay, so now I'm going to jump over onto the drums and show you what that looks like on there. Okay, so if you guys have a drum kit, I want you to try that. If not, keep doing it on your legs and get it sounding really good, really fast, really nice, really clean. Then now I'm going to show you a song that uses that technique. I think it sounds pretty cool.